now the time has come to really change the landscape.
Hello, I'm Frank Stephenson, Chief Designer of Prosperity One.
The first time I heard from AutoFlight, I was immediately attracted by their vision of unlocking the skies for mass individual transportation. I've designed automotive transportation for decades, but now the time has come to really change the landscape. How to create electric air transportation affordable and available for truly everybody. I've worked with AutoFlight for a year now, and look how far we've come. We've started with thinking about how we could possibly combine the design, the safety, and the affordability into one aircraft. How to build a future clean and quiet air taxi that we use just like the regular taxi I'm sitting in right now. And so easy. Future conceptual vehicle. It's going to be much more than just a flying machine. It's even going to be your living space in the air.
And for us, this marks a huge conceptual step into the future.
The interior should be warm and friendly, absolutely welcoming. It's a cocoon. It's a comfortable and a pleasant room where you want to welcome your friends and keep your family and your loved ones safe.
If you want to bring such a total new design to life, to real life, you cannot do this alone. You need collaboration on a global scale. Consequently, we are working with teams all over the world to realize such a grand vision. We are one.
I'm very proud of what our team achieved. Work that has potential of changing the world. Please stay tuned.